Areva is an international company which has its headquarters in France, and we are doing an energy business. That means in particular in the nuclear business and in renewables. The role in simulation is very important for Areva. In particular in this business, it's very difficult to start with tests and experiments because it's very expensive. We have huge facilities, and the plants are very often very difficult to see what's going on inside. And with CFD and structural mechanics, you can get a very good overview regarding the processes, what happens in the plants. We are using the CFD software from ANSYS regarding the development of new build business and new reactor types for boiling water reactors. And the reason that we are using this particular software is that it is very good in multiphase flow, and it runs very stable for this kind of simulations. Fluent we are using in the part of new development, and we're using it for multiphase flows because the models what are included in Fluent are very well developed and they are running very stable. And that's the reason that we are using this kind of software for computational fluid dynamics. It's very important to see the interaction between the fluids and the solid parts, because that's very difficult to test. The influence from the fluid comes in general from very small scales, because we have kind of vibration effects and things like this. And that you have to resolve with the CFD software, and you have to see the influence on the structural part. And that's very important for us. It makes our work much more easy and much more trustful instead of doing some hand calculations. In particular, when we have complicated systems where you don't know which kind of part is important for the interaction between them. And you can see it, you can cut your geometry, your assembly, and can see what's going on there. And that's a lot of trust and money what's behind it.